Good day to you all. In today's lesson, we are going to look at algebraic expressions. An algebraic expression consists of a number of terms that are separated by a plus sign or a minus sign. The way an expression is named depends on the number of terms in that expression. A monomial is an algebraic expression with one term only. A binomial is an algebraic expression with two terms. And a trinomial is an algebraic expression with three terms. Question 1. How many terms are there in the following algebraic expressions, and name them accordingly? If we look at part A here, we are going to see that we've got a plus sign here, a plus sign over here. So how many terms do we have? We've got 1, 2, 3. So the question says how many terms are there in the following algebraic expressions? So in A, we have got 3 terms. And if we've got 3 terms, what name do we give to this algebraic expression? We call it a trinomial. In B, if we look at this algebraic expression, we are going to see that this here is one term, and then 3y is another term. And these two terms are separated by a plus sign. So, to answer the question, we have 2 terms. And what name do we give to an algebraic expression that has got 2 terms? We call it a binomial. If we move on to C, we have brackets. And because we have brackets here, we can just say we have one term, which is called a monomial. And then if we go to the last one here, we are going to see that x and y are separated by a plus sign. So we have 2 terms. And we call this algebraic expression binomial. Now let's move on to number 2. In number 2, we are given an algebraic expression, and we need to answer the following questions. Number 1, how many terms are there in the algebraic expression? We have this one here is a single term, separated by a plus to give us another term here, separated by a minus to give us another term here, separated by a plus to give us another term here. So we can say that in 2A we have got 4 terms. How many variables are there in the algebraic expression? If I look at this algebraic expression, I can see that I've got x and c. So I have 2 variables. If I move on to part C, what is the coefficient of x? The coefficient of x is -1. Write down the coefficient of C. Let's write down what we have as a term, and this can be written as 1/5c. Therefore, the coefficient, that's what we are looking for, will be 1 over 5. And then the last one, it says here, write down the constant in the algebraic expression. And the constant in this algebraic expression is 5.